Hi folks, welcome back to new challenge. This challenge is going to be something special because in that you're going to make a bridge in a different way. It's called Purvottanasana. Two variations of it. This is the challenge for you. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Hopping on your couch, hopping on your mat, sitting down, straighten your legs. First, to show you how it's done, and then we're going to start the challenge. The challenge is to stay in Purvottanasana for at least 10 seconds. We're going to repeat it for 3 times. 2 variations. First variation, palms are pressing on the mat and your hands mat wide open. So a little bit wider than your shoulders, elbows straight, knee bent, and your feet as well, wide as the mat. Take a deep breath in, lifting up, head back, and holding yourself for a count of 10. So let's get it started. Hands in the back, take your time. Inhale deep, lifting up. Open your chest, push the hips upward, head back, breathe deep, 10 toes on the floor, and starting now. 10, 9, 8, 7, deep breathing, keep on pushing up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, pushing up. 1, inhale, hold the breath, slowly head returning and hips going down. Exhale and relax. Not so hard, is it? You can do this. Let's try it once again. Second last. Inhale, rising up. Once you're fixed and you're settled, your toes are pointing, hips pushing up, deep breathing, starting now. 10, 9, 8, 7, keep on deep belly breath. 5, 4, 3, keep on pushing up. 3, 2, 1. Inhale deep, head return, hips going down. Exhale, let go. How was it? Let's do it third time. Last and the final one, but this is only halfway. You are there, my friend. Inhale deep, lift up. Once you're fixed in the position, when you're still in an asana, deep breathing. And starting now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, deep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, head return. Hips down, exhale, let go. Purvottanasana, what you have just done, it's called Asana. In simple words, to keep yourself in a table position. Now, moving forward to the challenging part. Don't worry, we're not going to do it 3 times, only 2 times for 10 seconds each. Let's try. So, let me show you how to do this. The legs are straight, hands in the back, elbows straight. Take a deep breath in, lift up with your hips, let your leg be straight. Eventually your toes will reach down to the mat, but don't worry to reach fully. Stretch out, open chest, head hanging back, stay here for a count of 10. Once you're done, inhale. First your head will return, then the hips going down. Exhale. Make sure to avoid the hunching on your shoulder and just hang it like this. There's no point. Push up the glutes, open chest. So, in 3, 2, 1, let's get it started. Purvottanasana, hands in the back, take a deep inhalation, lift up. Starting now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, head return, Hip slowly going down, elbow straight, exhale and let go. Now, last time, you can do this. So once you're ready, palms are pressing down, elbows straight, toes are pointing outwards. Inhale, go up. When you fix in a position, deep breathing, push the hips up. Chest open, let your spine press towards your chest. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, head return, hips down. Exhale, let go. So, congratulations, you have completed this very tough challenge. Remember, you can always restart with the same challenge. Repeat it until you start to feel more comfortable, that you feel, yeah, I can do this, because you will get better and better. And this is what this challenge is about, to make you better. Until the next time, see you soon. Take care. Keep on practicing, because you will get better.